Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, fully restored 1962 Corvette. We got the owner here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
Oh, pretty car. Jeez.
Yeah, it is.
A lot of work in this one, huh?
Great.
So tell us a little bit about it.
I've owned it 3 years, but for the last 2.5 years it has been restored. A year in the body shop, frame off, and then 1.5 years with the mechanic putting all of the mechanicals back together.
Yeah.
It's a 340 horse, 327 original matching numbers engine.
Okay.
It runs and drives like brand new because it is.
Yeah, sure.
Everything in it is NOS or the original parts.
Okay. So the paint, everything has like little to no miles on it, right?
It has, when I got it, it had 59,000 miles on it. I've put less than 10 on the car.
Wow. Very correct
I drove
too.
It from the mechanical shop to my house and put it in the garage. I have driven it 10 miles.
Oh God. So it's got 10 miles on the restoration.
How many?
10 miles on the resto?
10 miles since the restoration.
Wow. 4-speed. Brand new top, it's cloth. The car is new all the way around.
It runs and sounds great.
Yeah, it does.
It has no rust on the frames, and there was no accidents.
Oh, good.
Taken down to the fiberglass, and that's where you would see if there was any accident damage, and there is none.
So it's all original glass. Beautiful.
It certainly is.
Black interior. 4-speed. Showing 20,466 miles. Custom stereo. And new. Looks like new carpet. New seat covers.
Dash pad.
Door panels. I mean, everything, huh?
No expense was spared, unfortunately.
Can you fire it up?
I can.
Cool.
If I get the right key.
It usually helps, right?
Wrong key again.
Looks like the original key.
Yeah, it is.
Got all the correct shielding in here. Looks like new wiper motor. All the correct clamps and hoses.
It even has the original battery, replacement battery.
Oh, cool. Very nice. Can we take it for a quick ride? Take it for a quick ride? Let's go. Man, she's got a nice sound. A little cold here today, guys. Wow.
Whoop.
Whoopsie. There you go.
That's good on the video.
It sure runs like a new car, huh?
It drives like a brand new car. Well, it is.
Yeah. Really cool. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.